Hello over there. In the previous video, we were able to have an introduction to Vibe Studio and was even able to build a website using the Appmint AI right from the beginning to the end. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to log into Appmint and also even be how to create a new website / organization in case you have a website, another website that you want to build. Without much further ado, let's get started.
So the first thing that you need to do is to visit Appmint website, which is appmint.io, appmint.io. So when you get to the home page, then click on the sign in, where you can find at the top right corner here. So when you click on sign in, it's going to take you to the page where you need to fill in your credentials. So there are different ways to actually sign in with Appmint. So you can either enter your email address. In this case, let me enter my email address. So you can either continue with password or send magic link. So magic link is simply something like a password list, whereby once you click on it, it's going to send you a link to an email, and upon clicking on that link inside your email, it's going to take you directly to the dashboard. And if you also prefer not to use your email, you can also sign in with Google as well. So this is actually a more faster approach, whereby you don't need to be entering your email address one after the other. Or you can also continue with GitHub as well. So in this case, this was the previous method I used to sign up and create a project. So I'm just going to continue with this particular method. So after entering your email address, then click on continue with password. Then here you are going to enter your password. So I already have my password set there. So then click on sign in. So upon clicking on sign in, it's going to take you to log in successfully. Now this is my dashboard. So from this dashboard, you can actually start a new project, you can start a new organization, or you actually work with an existing one. So far, these are the organizations that I've created so far, and the one that we worked with in the previous project, where we are able to see how Vibe Studio works, right? So this is the one that we worked with, which is called Site Demo, and you can see further details about it as well. So in this case, let's say I want to work with this particular organization. So all I have to do is to just click on dashboard. But before we do that, there are some notable things that you need to know. So this is the name of the organization here, which is called Site Demo. Then this is the link to it, and this is actually common users, whereby we can also attach multiple users to their account. So, and this is the amount that I presently have with the organization. So, and if you also want to buy credit, you can click on buy credit. So if you also want to create a new organization, say you don't want to use this one, then you can also click on this part to create a new organization, and it's going to open a new tab for you to enter the details of the organization that you want to use. So it's going to ask you, since I'm signed in already, so it's going to take me to this part. So it will ask me which what do I want to use, what template do I want to use. So if I want to build a website, all I have to do is to click on website. If I want to build an e-commerce store, all I have to do is to click on an e-commerce store and then click on continue with one template. So depending on the template that you want to use, and you can actually browse a lot of, depending on the one that you want to use. So once you are done with that, you can click on continue with one template. But for now, I'm not creating a new organization, so I'm just going to go back to my dashboard and use the existing part. So this is the organization that I've been working with before. Then I can click on dashboard, and it's going to take me to the dashboard, whereby I can start working with my existing website, which we have once built previously. So this is the dashboard of the Site Demo website. But let's say you want to, so this is the dashboard of the Site Demo website, and we are still going to talk more about some of the tools that you are seeing here. But let's say you want to create a new organization, so maybe you don't want to use the particular one. So I'm just going to close this. So this is the dashboard that you're going to be taken into after logging in. So let's say you want to create a new organization, you don't want to be using the one that you've been using before. So all I have to do is to click on this, create new organization. So when you click create a new organization, you can select the type of template that you want to work with. So in this case, let's say I want to build a kind of an e-commerce website. So then click on continue with one template. Then it's going to ask you for the site name, so you can enter the site name that you want. So in this case, let's say I want to choose ecom. So this is going to be ecom.appmint.app. Then enter your first name. So my first name is Tunde. Then enter the last name. My last name is Fancy. Then you can then click on create organization. and automatically it's going to add the organization to your dashboard. So my platform is live. You didn't just get a website, you got an entire software company in a box. And then just like we did in the previous video, you can click on Open Studio Manager to start building your website. So that is how to log into your Appmint dashboard and also to create a new organization. So in subsequent video, we are going to be showing you more on how to take advantage of the Appmint powerful features, especially the Vibe Studio, to build your dream website and even make it more powerful. Until the next video, bye.